Welcome back to day 3 of our 100 days of DevOps practical learning series. Today we will cover a very important security topics: how to secure root SSH access. Why it is necessary? Because if attackers can directly log in as root, they have full control over our system. That's why it's always recommended to disable root login over SSH and instant use a normal user with sudo privilege. How to disable root login? Here how you can do it step by steps. Let's go to our practical session. This session I used Ubuntu VM on my AWS. First need to edit our SSH config file. Let's go. Sudo. You can use any text editor tools like Nano, Vim or etc. I use Nano. Go ensure your SSH configuration file location etc sshd dot config. Hit enter and find your PermitRootLogin configuration. Okay, I down my cursor one by one. Here, this is PermitRootLogin option. You just add no. You can see that your server is enable your configuration. This type you just see here root login option. Yes. This means root can access SSH through. You just here just no and save it. Control S and Control X. Then you restart your SSH server. Sudo systemctl restart SSH. This completely root access disable your system. Now try login again and see the root is block SSH. This is simple sense greatly improve your server security. Remember, always use SSH keys instead of password. Keep root login disable. Give sudo access only to trusted user. That is for day 3. In day 4, we will continue with another hands on DevOps skill. See you soon. Okay, bye.